Melissa, it's okay. You don't even need it anyway. No, I need to use it for when I do laundry. Why do you need to use it when you do laundry? Because it gets me motivated and it's nice and loud that you can feel the bass. Well, you can go one time without using your speaker. Just listen to music on your tablet speakers. No, I have to use this one, and it's not making any noises. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Please don't pull the plug on me. Okay, first of all, you don't have to yell. We're all right here, you know. Why are you touching my plug? Why are you touching that? Because I was just curious of what that black plug goes to. Well, don't bother my plug. Do you know what that black plug goes to? To me, because I run on electricity, and you know that. Yeah, but she always be super duper nosy. And hey, what are you guys doing? Uh-oh. Melissa? What in the world are you guys ranting over there for? Are you guys talking about me? No! God dang it! I bled through another pair of sheets again, so they need to be washed. Don't talk. Spraying some. But there's just one little teensy detail you forgot, however. And what is that? It's Sunday! What? Ugh. No one tells me to go to work on Sunday! Don't push! Don't push! Don't push! Don't push! Don't push! God dang it! God dang you, boss! I didn't want to do any laundry today, but you did it anyway! It's bedtime, Melissa. It's past your bedtime. God dang it! Can I listen to my music first? No. No? What do you mean, no? Why? Because it's past your bedtime, and I need to take it away. You leave my speaker alone. It's past your bedtime. Can I listen to my music in peace? Well, yeah, you can. Fine. Please, if you don't put my speaker down, I'll kick your butt, boss. Are you threatening me? Yeah, boss. Your lid now. No. Then I'll just unplug you. No, wait! Stop! I do not want you to touch my plug at all. Yeah. Haha. Why you? Oh, ow! You darn it! Angelica, I ain't gonna be here and listening to your freaking mood song. And also, you need to quit listening to that. I've been listening to that for like almost 4 years, and I still listen to it. How dare you do this to me? What are you idiots doing? Angelica's trying to boss me around. I keep on telling her millions and millions of times not to say later, but she doesn't listen worth a crap.